Cavite Governor Jonvic Remulla is KSP. That's according to broadcaster Ben Tulfo after the governor posted this on Facebook. Remulla used the hashtag HijaAko, making him a member of Team Frankie, the daughter of Senator Kiko Pangilinan, who stood up to Tulfo on the issue of rape. Tulfo slammed Remulla for joining the HijaAko movement. Tulfo pointed out he has helped victims through his TV show. A few hours after this post, Remulla reacted. Despite being accused of seeking attention on social media, the governor didn't give a lengthy response. Remulla merely reiterated his earlier message to Tulfo.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.